Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how to organize your spice cabinet. So my friend Tiara reached out to me and said, do a Fancy Friday on this. So I want to show you guys what my spice cabinet looks like, and that way you can see if this will help you. So here is my spice cabinet, and what we have here is an expandable and stackable rack that fits in here, and it's completely customizable to whatever size cabinet you may have in your home. Comes like this. Got it on Amazon, and I will link it for you. So you can see, depending on the depth of your cabinet, it's completely adjustable. And what I love about this is it keeps all your spices organized. You don't have to like rummage through them and figure out what's where. Everything is front facing, nothing gets sticky or dirty, and you have complete access, and it just looks very clean. And so I'm also a little bit extra, and so I purchased these glass containers. They are also, it comes for $24.99, and the spice rack is also $24.99. And the great thing about these is it comes with a whole thing of labels. So depending on if you like these black labels or the clear labels, you can make your jars that way depending on what you like better. But they all look super clean and organized and fancy, and it just makes me happy looking in here because nothing is cluttered. And at the top we have our overages, so we can fill, once these are low, we can fill them up, and everything is just clean. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. Hope everyone is living just fine.